Don't eat it.
Don't eat it, don't eat it, don't eat it. This is going to go like in behind the scenes.
So do try this at home. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Man, these vacations are so boring, yeah. I'm so bored. We can't even go outside to play because it's so hot. And Ahil, are you listening to me? Yes, I am.
Hello. Hey guys.
Hey.
What's up?
We're bored. We have nothing to do.
Why? It's vacation time. It's fun time.
We don't have anything to play.
Okay, so how do we solve this problem? How about we do something that you've never done before?
Like what?
You'll see. Let's go. Hello and welcome to a kid special episode on Rajri food. Today, we're going to make Mango Monaco Munch for these bored little girls here. Since it's a kid special episode, we're going to make for the kids and by the kids. So are you girls ready?
Yes.
Okay, Ira, I want you to pick up the bowl with the mango pieces. So I have half a mango cut into small pieces here. Can you put it in the bowl? Okay, here, next goes in some cherry tomatoes that I've chopped roughly. Can you add them in the bowl as well? Alright, Ira, one small onion finely chopped. Do you guys eat little spicy food?
Yes, yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll just add one small green chili finely chopped. Ira, can you add it in? Okay, here pick up the lime squeezer and half of that lime. The other way, yes. And now squeeze it in. That's good. I'm going to add some salt to taste. And that's it. Girls, can you give this a mix? Slowly, with some love. It's food. Also, add 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. Mix it in. Are you guys having fun?
Yes.
Okay, let's move forward. That's it. Thank you. Here, there's a glass over here. I want you to open this piping bag. That's right. With the help of a spoon, just fill in 2 to 3 tablespoons of the mayonnaise. This is eggless mayonnaise. That's good. All right. Pick up the piping bag. Yeah, push it down. That's it. So now I'm going to top up the Monaco biscuits with this mango mixture and then garnish it with some mayonnaise. So I have some Monaco crackers. You can use any crackers as you wish. So over this, just a little bit of this mixture on top. And now I'm just going to snip the tip of the piping bag. And let's make a zigzag pattern on this. How does this look?
Awesome.
I'm sure it's going to taste even more awesome. So this way, now you guys are going to make the remaining ones. Okay? Let's move this on the side. Ira, can you do the topping, and here can you make the zigzag lines? That's good.
Hey, wait. Can I have a try? Sure.
Okay, Ira, I need to stop you. Your lines have to go from one end to the other, and it has to be a neat zigzag.
Okay.
Okay, let's try once more. Few of them are ready. Let's plate them. Okay, girls. One more. Done. So in this way, you can teach, entertain and feed your kids in this vacation. I hope you guys love this recipe, so do try this at home and comment below. Don't forget to
Like, share.
and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye. Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
We're gonna have more fun eating this now.